Whether you have platinum blonde, ombre, or those money pieces, your colored hair needs a little extra attention. Nothing is worse than spending big bucks and seeing them fade after weeks. This happens due to not taking care of locks. If you do not maintain colored hair properly, the major problems you will face include dryness, dullness, and frizziness. So to maintain and keep your hair healthy, you need to follow a proper hair care routine. If you have colored hair too, then look no further, because today we're going to give you an insight into a step-by-step hair care routine for colored hair. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Whenever we talk about hair care, it's much more than the basic oiling, shampoo, and conditioning routine. You need to give extra love and pamper your hair so your colors remain intact. According to special hair care features, you need to be extra careful while choosing products, and few extra products should be added to the list for maintaining colored hair. Wondering what they are? Let's go through the hair care routine and tips. You need to be cautious while washing your hair if you have a fresh hair color. When your hair is being colored, the cuticles are open to let the pigments seep into the hair shaft. If you wash your hair right after coloring, it can drain the color from the still open cuticles. On average, it takes 3 days or 72 hours for the hair cuticles to close up completely. The longer you wait, the deeper and more permanent color sets on your hair. Colored hair is weaker than regular hair, so to choose a shampoo for the colored hair, you need to choose something that is sulfate-free. Sulfates present in hair products are responsible for producing lather when mixed with water. Additionally, these sulfates strip off your hair's natural oil, hydration, and moisture. Plus, it removes the free lipids in hair, and once the protective layer is gone, water penetrates easily, resulting in faster color loss. You can choose Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which is a highly nourishing and reparative shampoo. Not to mention, it is the only patented system with the Olaplex technology that can noticeably repair your extremely damaged hair. Moreover, this sulfate-free shampoo won't dry out your strands, plus it will moisturize your colored hair. There is a misconception about washing your hair regularly, but in reality, this activity can strip off the natural oils from your hair. So you need to wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week. Hydration is the magic solution to your hair, so you need to keep your hair hydrated as much as possible. For that reason, every time you wash your colored hair, you need to use a conditioner. A conditioner should be sulfate-free and color-safe. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Color Vibrancy Protecting Conditioner is our suggestion for your colored hair. This conditioner has the goodness of linseed and antioxidants, which help to nourish your colored hair and keeps the color from fading away. It holds vibrancy for up to 60 days, keeping your hair healthy and shiny. The product protects your hair from the damage caused by sun and pollution, and it provides instant nourishment and also protects hair fibers. This is a pro tip. If you are rocking bright colors like blue, pink, or red, adding color to your conditioner may give your color longevity. Using a color deposit conditioner will do wonders to maintain your colored hair at home. You can ask your hairdresser to mix some color with your favorite conditioner to follow this tip. Even though you like having those hot showers, the high water temperature is harmful to your hair. Hot water will open the cuticles of your hair and let all the color wash away. So you should always use room temperature water to wash your colored hair. Dry shampoo will be your best friend for your hair wash-off days. Dry shampoo will not only refresh your hair, but also give it a blowout look. Besides, dry shampoo makes your hair feel fresh that delays your shampooing routine. Now, to choose dry shampoo, you should choose a color-safe and sulfate-free shampoo. Our recommendation is the Batiste Dry Shampoo Original. This dry shampoo is color-safe and sulfate-free. The shampoo has a great smell which includes a citrusy and refreshing smell of orange and bergamot. The smell is also balanced by hints of rose, lily, lavender, and powdery musks. It effectively removes oil and grease from hair between washes. While using heat styling tools such as curling irons, hair straighteners, and blow dryers, the outer protective covering of the hair is damaged, as the heat opens up the cuticle and the dye washes out naturally. So you need to use a thermal protectant hair serum or spray whenever you have to style your hair. L'Oreal Paris Advanced Hairstyle Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray is an affordable lightweight heat protectant that gives protection from heat for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The product has a humidity resistance feature and gives your hair shine while ensuring protection. Apart from changing your regular shampooing routine, you also need to maintain some other tips to take care of your lusciously colored hair. There is a misconception among many colored hair fans that oiling hair is not good for colored hair. This is not true. Use organic coconut hair oil before you shampoo your hair, as this will add extra nourishment. Generally, most of us do not include it in our hair care routine, but keeping a hair mask in a weekly hair care routine will not only make your hair smooth, but also give life to it. The best hair mask you can include in your hair care routine is Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. It repairs your hair and rebuilds the damaged parts. Besides using a patented bond-building technology, the product reconstructs your hair at strand level. We hope all this information is helpful for you and you can maintain your colored hair properly through our tips. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.